Hi, I'm Raksha. I'm one of Mitsu's clinical psychologists. And I get this question a lot. What does guided self-therapy mean? Let me explain. Self-therapy means learning and practicing therapeutic techniques independently outside of a typical therapy session. But with guided self-therapy, independently doesn't mean alone. A mental health specialist who can answer questions, clear doubts, and offer encouragement guides the person as they navigate through the therapy process. Now, this model of mental health care has been studied a lot over the last 15 years and has found to be as effective as conventional in-person therapy. Plus, the research shows that guided self-therapy offers some unique benefits. First, guided self-therapy is very convenient. You can learn from anytime, anywhere, and you don't need to search for a therapist, languish on waitlist, coordinate schedules, or even waste time traveling to those therapy appointments. Second, guided self-therapy is especially good at helping you feel more in control and capable because it empowers you to take care of your mental health and puts it into your own hands. These findings are the foundation of Mitsu. Our 8-week program helps you develop skills from scientific approaches like cognitive behavioral therapy, mindfulness, and acceptance and commitment therapy. You do this through 10 minutes of active learning, spaced 2 to 3 times a week. The days in between these lessons are for reflection and practice, because research shows the more you apply these skills into your daily life, the faster you progress in therapy. Of course, like any kind of therapy, guided self-therapy takes time and practice to show results. So, to keep you motivated and to ensure you understand what you learn, you have unlimited chat access with a clinical psychologist. They act as a guide through the program. This means that if you have any questions about what you've learned, you get a scientific answer. When you're struggling to come in terms with your experiences, you have someone who will listen to you and help you reflect. And when you don't know which of the skills are right in which situation, you get pointed in the right direction. With guided self-therapy, you might do the lessons on your own time, but you're never alone. Your Mitsu therapist is always just a message away, ready to guide you in building the skills for a lifelong mental well-being.